Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to install Android 8.0 on a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Now just to show you guys, I'm currently running the Android 7 and it's a Samsung Experience 8.1. Now to install Android 8.0 you're going to have to copy this files that I'll leave in the description box down below onto your phone's SD card. So I'm going to do that quickly and come back. Okay, so now I have these three. You need actually just two files, but just for the safety of this video and for my device later on, because I am planning to root it. So you're going to need this verify. It's a kernel encryption for this Android 8.0, and you're going to need this other S7 Edge Oreo file. So these first two files are the main files that you're going to need, and I am going to be linking this in the description box down below so you guys can check them out. Now from there, what you're going to do is go into your recovery mode. So you can either do that by powering off your phone and then pressing volume up, power and home, or if you have a custom recovery like I do, you can just click on restart and then you're going to go to recovery mode. Okay, so once we're here, first of all, we're gonna need to wipe our data from our previous operating system that was on this phone. So for that, just simply click on the wipe button and advanced wipe. Now you will want to wipe the Dalvik system, data and cache. So once you do that, you're gonna want to go back and then go to install. Then you're going to want to select where your files are. So I'm using the TWRP recovery, and in this my files are in my external SD card. So I'm going to go to select storage, then I'm going to go to micro SD card and click OK. Now I have a special folder called Android 8.0, so I'm going to click on that. And the first file that you guys want to install, or you will have to install, is this S7 Edge Oreo file. If it says zip verification failed, just go back, click on it again and disable the zip verification, and I think it should work just fine. Now once the installation is done, it'll say script succeeded. Now just make sure that you do not reboot the system. You'll have to install one more file before you do a final reboot. So go back. Okay, so the next file you'll want to install is this no verification file. So again, disable zip verification and just swipe to flash it. Okay, so once you've installed both the zip files, you'll want to now go and finally reboot your system. Now just note that this first reboot can take quite a while, so do not keep pressing the power button, or just don't turn off the phone while it's in this process. Just let it be and let it boot. Okay, now once your phone has booted up, you're gonna see some different language. Now don't get scared, because this language you can just come here and change it back to English, as I'll do right now. Now once you have it in English, you can just go ahead and quickly set up your phone. I'm just gonna quickly skim through this in the video. Okay, so this is it. Just to show you guys, I'm gonna go into settings and then about phone, and as you can see, my name of my phone has come back. It's Galaxy S7 Edge, and the software information, it's Android 8.0 and the Samsung Experience 9. Anyways guys, that's it for this video. If you guys want to see more tech related videos on how to do installations, custom ROMs, or even messing around with simple things like the Arduino, I have a video planned up coming on this chip here. Just go ahead and click on that subscribe button Like the video if you liked it. If you have any questions regarding this ROM, how to install it, or if you're going through any problems during installation, just let me know in the comment section down below and I will make sure I get back to you. Now with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.